All right. Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 11:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is December 12th, 2021. This is not financial advice, educational. Click to subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about the graph, GRT, US dollar. Let's take a look at it. Right now, still over a reasonable area of support at 61 cents. The support line, we're at 68. We do have resistance ahead. Continued resistance right now at 80 cents. We'll have to keep our eye on this, but we got to get back over the spaceship. The spaceship, the top of the spaceship really kind of roughly around this area here. But we're still above the green line, which is good. Again, the green line around 65 or so. So just to zoom back into this, but we do have a real support line around 61, 62 cents. So getting over 81 cents, 80 cents could be very nice, but we are going to see resistance over here at 83 for sure. So we'll see how this one plays out, but let's take a look at the underlying crypto pair for graph, which is graph to Bitcoin. And we do have reasonable support right here at 1340. We're at 1379. Again, looking to be a possible W pattern, which should resolve us back to 1557 if this plays out. We do have resistance, however, at 1478 and a higher level of resistance up at 1650. And if we do break through below 1338, we could be in for a fall down to 1177. So keep your eye on that. In the meantime, Bitcoin is catching a reasonable bid over the last couple of days. Definitely support line around 46,536 is evident from back here. Also, another area of support below in the event we break through the 46.6. We do have a 44,000 handle on another line of support below that. Breaching that, we could go all the way down to the bottom of this bullish descending broadening wedge, if you could call it that, even though we're in it right now. But 36,000 and change is the support area if we should break down. Now, again, nothing goes up in a straight line. Patterns are meant to be, are indicative of where things will happen. So if we break through this resistance line here on this descending broadening wedge, which is currently in the current time at 53,247, we should resume our way back up to where this broadening wedge started. Sometimes it goes up a lot higher than that, but I usually see them come up to this level. So 68K roughly is where we started this venture into the descending broadening wedge. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is also starting to tear up, but for a different reason over the last couple of days than prior. Back here in December 8th all the way to the 10th, we had it peeling up. We had it peeling out to the upside as a result of fear. A lot of sell-offs going on. So now we are starting to go up as a result of Bitcoin US dollar going up. A lot of new capital coming into the Bitcoin. So that means Bitcoin going up, as well as Bitcoin dominance going up, means that we're starting to set the table for an altcoin rally. So we want to continue to see this thing coming up and coming up and coming up while Bitcoin US dollar is going up as well. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Graph 68.5. Talk soon.